In the last video, you saw how to use the onConflict do nothing, and you saw that if you have a conflict on a unique column, that means that your query has no effect. But sometimes you pretty much want to do something else other than do nothing. And a good example is, let's say that, for example, you have a user registering on your website, and then he performs a request to register to your server, right? So he performs a request to add his details to your server. Now, it could be the case that the user submits his information, but then immediately changes his mind and then updates his email with the exact same detail, right? So in the first request, he send one email, and then in the next request, he send a different email, right? So in this case, basically, sometimes you might not use the do nothing keyword, but instead you want to take the latest insert that comes from your client. So this usually happens when you work in a distributed system where you have two servers sitting above a load balancer. So just let me show you how this works. So if I press up a couple of times, so I pretty much just want to select this person right here, so Russ. And if I go ahead and perform this request, you see that there is no insert, so 0, 0. Now, if I go ahead and select it again, you see that no information changed. So let's say that this was the actual first request that they added. So they wanted to register with this information. And then about 2 seconds later, he decided to add a .gov.uk at the end of his email, right? So he sent the exact same information, but .uk at the end of his previous email. So this is where you use the onConflict, so onConflict, and instead of saying do nothing, you can say do and then update. And the do update works pretty much the way that you saw how to use the update command. So we have to say set, but now this is where the magic happens. So you're going to say email, so you want to take the email, so the current email which is stored in the database, and then you want to say that this is equal to excluded, so this is a special keyword, and then dot and then email. So basically this email right here, so this email relates to this one right here, right? This one right here. And then the excluded dot email refers to this one right here, the one which is about to be inserted. So if I press semicolon and then press enter, you see that this time we did affect one row. So if I select Russ again, nothing changes because the email was the exact same thing. Now, let me just clear the screen, select him again, and let's run the exact same command, but this time let's change the email. So I'm going to add a .uk at the end. There we go. And then press enter. You see that works. Now, if I select, you see that now we had a conflict, but we simply changed his email. So this excluded dot email was the one about to be updated. And pretty much I've simply used email, but you could also add a column. And then let's say that you want to update pretty much every single value. So if I go back, and then right here you could say set, and then if I press enter, so we could say email, and you could also say, let's say last and then name equals to, and then excluded dot and then last name. And you can pretty much do for the rest. So the order doesn't really matter. So first name equals to excluded dot and then first name, and you get the idea. So if I press semicolon, run that, you see that that works. Now if I was about to change the name to Russell and then the actual surname to Rudy, press enter, you see that works. And if I select Russell now, right, you can see that only the actual first name and last name were changed. But if you look at the email kept the same. And this is how you use the onConflict do update. So this allows you to perform an update or insert, hence the name Upsert, and pretty much allows you to override existing data if present, otherwise insert a new row. This is all for now. If you have any questions on this topic, go ahead and drop me a message as always. Otherwise, join me in the next video. See ya.